Kìkì là á kí fá o, tífá fi gbè ní. Kìkì là á kí fá o, tífá fi gbè ní. Bẹ́dá bá gboríkì rẹ̀, orí á wú. Oriki are not just words. They carry power. They carry presence. They include our family panegyrics, our bloodline, our journey, and our essence. There is no way someone will chant your Oriki and you will not feel something move inside you. Now imagine you chant the Oriki of an Orisha. How joyful they must be, how honored they will feel, and how quickly they will respond to your call. Oriki is a spiritual tool. We use it to dissense the power of Orisha or activate the presence of any Orisha. This is why we must learn, preserve, and use our Oriki, not only for ourselves, but for the connection to the divine. Join our Oriki and songs class today.
Orí ọlọ́lá, orí ọlọ́lá, orí ni mú wa gún, orí ni tún wa ṣe, orí ni tún wa ṣe, ọwọ́ orí ńlá.